What's up, my lovely love bug goodies? Welcome back again to your girl channel and to my kitchen. Well, oh baby.
No, not.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Today I'm here with my lovely daughter,
Giddy Flawless.
Flawless, aka Devadia, and we are doing a mukbang. Now, if you're here for the very first time, make sure that you hit that subscribe. If you have not already subscribed, feel free to do so. And then turn on your post notifications so you will always be reminded whenever I upload a brand new video. Okay, so I'm excited to do this mukbang. You guys have been asking me forever to do a mukbang, and so finally I'm going to do it before Christmas, right? So, what are we having?
We're having fried chicken wings and then fried shrimp.
We have the jumbo fried shrimp,
Yeah,
butterfly shrimp.
Yeah,
And guys, the recipe for the chicken wings and the shrimp will be listed down below. But the butterfly shrimp, that recipe will be coming soon, so don't see how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, we are having fried chicken wings with fried butterfly shrimp, extra crispy. We're having French fries here, and we are having, well, I'm having cucumber and pickles, sweet pickles. And then of course I'm having sweet and sour sauce, homemade sweet and sour sauce. Yeah. So and what am I drinking? I'm drinking in here, I'm having some kind of bush tea.
and I'm drinking some of Mom's homemade iced tea, sweet iced tea.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat all day. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna get it all in. I know I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of this thing, but I'm gonna get it as much as I could get in. So before we start, we will pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we are about to receive. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yes, honey. So let me get it all up in here. And these wings, y'all, is crispy as can be. I kid you not. Crispy, 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 crispy. How's it?
It's very nice.
How's that sauce?
Very nice. Sweet.
I'm hungry, but enough.
For real.
Because I make sure say I don't have nothing to eat all day. Let's get that good sauce on that chicken wing. And it's hot too. That's good. Crunchy.
Very.
I know some of them can't eat much, but I'm gonna do it as much as I can, y'all.
I'm just eating until my belly's full.
Basic way.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Very good. Sauce is definitely good.
We'll try that shrimp.
The shrimp is definitely something good.
Well, how was everybody holiday was? How was your holiday? Or the Thanksgiving rather?
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah.
It was well spent.
Yeah, well spent. Spending time with friends, family, everything else.
I hope y'all could see this. We'll never even do a, what do you call it?
Thumbnail.
A thumbnail.
Forget it. They can take a, they can
It's
see
not too late.
Huh?
That shrimp ain't no joke. I love pickles, y'all. She don't love pickle, but I love pickle. So good.
I don't like pickles. I don't. They're slimy.
Pickle slimy?
Yeah. All right. You know when you go to a fast food restaurant, right? And you say you want a burger, right? Them put the pickles in it, and then the pickles are just warm and covered in ketchup and
But
mustard.
this is not the restaurant thing. Say mama, nothing.
Yeah, but in general, I don't really care for pickles. Celery, we'll eat the celery. Celery is very nice.
So how you feel about the YouTube and the YouTube changes and all and stuff like that going by YouTube?
They can do whatever they want. I don't care what they do. You know, because my YouTube channel not even that big to begin with, so they can do what they want. You know, I got bigger fish to fry.
What kind of fish that?
Education, that's one of the big fish in life.
Well, you got a point there. Well, a lot of people, you know, them depend on YouTube as a
Yeah, but that's not good, because you cannot depend on one thing for too long. Because that thing don't, you know.
Well, this girl, she had like about 3,000 something subscribers. When YouTube made the cut the other day, she only had like 500. 500. From 3,000 to 500. That's rough.
It is. Hope she had a backup plan.
Well, she had a job, but still. But the thing is, alright, now I'm sending another email, right? Saying
The kid safety thing?
the kid safety thing. But the thing is, I'm get two options. Which is kid friendly or not. Right? No.
Actually, I thought it was 3. Like, it's adult, only for adults, only for children, or it's for both.
Well, for this, there are 2. When you upload the video to yourself. And then, if you pick option 2, which is it's not recommended for kids, then them turn off a notification. And then if you pick option 1, which is kids friendly, then them put it through a whole heap of rigmarole. That's where I earlier lose. But guess where? It's not even safe either, because if you pick option 2, which is not recommended for kids, then turn off the notification. But it doesn't really make a difference because I'm turning off the notification regardless.
Yeah. Because to any children, or anyone under the age of 18 who are subscribed to your channel, they'll turn off their notifications to your channel.
But you know something too? The people that been affected, the creators that's really been affected by it the most, are the people with like 1 million subscribers. 2,000, hundreds of 200,000.
Like, yeah, in the millions.
Right. People tell me all the time, but now I get my notification now.
Even though they be subscribed to you for years.
Yeah, you gotta check those notifications because YouTube be turning off. Like I have a situation the other day. Somebody said they want to subscribe to my channel. So I'm like, okay, I'll just go to channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm standing right there with her too. And then she was like, okay, this is your channel right here, but where's the subscription button when I press to subscribe to your channel? YouTube removed my subscription button. Like, subscribe wasn't there. The channel will show up, but nothing for subscribe to the channel will be there. And so, what I had to do is send the direct link. You know a direct link? But you go through the subscription through my link.
Yeah, give them the link to your
That's
channel.
it. It's so good. But it's crazy.
It is.
Some days you'll be wondering like, I don't know. And then a lot of people don't realize
What's going on?
what's going on. Because for your creator, is it even necessary to upload a video? You know what I'm saying?
Like I said, they
Capture, edit, and do all kind of thing. Not only you getting ridiculed by the trolls, but YouTube coming like a troll right now.
They are.
I swear they have somebody that's sitting there waiting for you to upload a video.
They do.
Because as soon as you upload the video, you get a notification. Oh, this is so and so, that is so and so. People not getting your notification, this and that, all kind of things. Like, really? After all of that, we just stop?
Like as soon as they give you a copyright strike on your Thanksgiving thing.
Upload that. And I made sure not to include like a lot of music, whatever. They still gave me a copyright strike on that video. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And them people that will stop curses and them something. You know, some of them people, you know, that's curses. Some of them channel got taken down too.
Yeah.
A lot of people channel got taken down. Sometimes, even with my cooking videos, I'm like, why would you not monetize my video when all I'm doing is cooking? I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not cursing the video. All I'm doing is cooking. I'm telling you the video not monetize. It's so crispy. And then you have to send them off. email. Let them know they need to review the video. Well, Future on the song.
Yeah, Future about to me.
Future, I look meat.
You looking meat, Papa? Can you make a cameo?
You might look a piece. Some cat bones.
Yeah. Come, Bubba. Want some skin? Come. I think y'all seen Future before. I don't know. You're good, baby. You want skin?
Can't put them up.
Oh, really? Oh. Come, Bubba.
Come up for the food anyway.
Oh, yeah. So this is Future, guys. Say hey, Bubba.
I'm not interested. All I'm at the chicken. That's it.
I know, right? But like I said, I don't know if y'all probably seen Future on my channel. Come on, don't be picky. You don't
want that.
You don't want the sauce.
You don't want the sauce. You want the plain chicken. I'm just
Future, be happy I put you up at all. Could have just left you on the ground. Here, take some shrimp. Alright, because you don't want nothing that has sauce on it already. Hey, why not add the dog to the table, you know? Here you go, baby. Here you go, your meat.
You can't go on about your business.
Yeah, go find it. It dropped. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Find it.
I'm going to start ridicule me.
Huh?
I'm going to start getting ridiculed.
Listen, let me tell you something. People ain't got nothing better to do. Like, they just sit behind their computer screen and just judge people something. And are like, okay, you put the time and effort into putting your YouTube videos, and then let people ridicule you.
Yeah. This is what it is. Some days, when them come out swinging, if I feel like respond. If I feel like not respond, just keep it moving. Next video. Just feel crunchy. So crunchy.
Crunch, crunch. That reminds me of that Captain Crunch cereal.
But man, go on good.
We still got a lot of on our plate. But we're just trying to fill our stomachs. And see who busts first. Probably me, but probably her.
I kid you not, this is good. You having the same thing?
No, that's your iced tea.
That's it?
That's the bush
What you having?
tea. That's the bush tea.
What you having?
This I thought this is the iced tea something.
Yeah.
That's the bush tea, right? What?
It tastes good?
Yeah, but I thought it was juice. I didn't know it was bush
See?
tea.
You didn't know it was even. Let me tell you what's in that glass. I you know like to eat them and drink them elder thing now.
Who said that?
I'm a little surprised here.
I thought leaf juice was
That is soursop leaf, orange leaf, lime leaf, lemon tree. Oh, excuse me. Well again,
You said
fever grass and ginger.
Ginger.
I've been doing that thing all day today. Notice it that is steam on low heat.
Taste no ginger.
Just a little bit, not put a whole patch in ginger night. I never want to take away from the bush itself. But that's some healthy stuff you got in that glass.
Well played, Mama. I asked you if it was iced tea. You said yes.
Now put your tea up to make a drink it.
Well played.
You know what I like about the wings too? They're not salty.
Oh yeah. We went to a lot of kinds of places, right? Their food was usually decent, but sometimes certain things would be salty. You know, or just tasteless. But you know.
Pure salt. But I'm trying to cut down on the salt intake too.
Yeah. Salt intake. Too much salt intake raises your blood pressure.
You know, man, when I raise up. Sometimes a lot of the spices that you use contains a lot of salt.
Yeah, like garlic salt.
When I use garlic salt, not at all. The sweet and sour sauce ain't no joke, yeah.
I feel my end is coming soon. You see how I slowed down eating? You know?
I'm gonna eat my pickle.
I'm gonna fill up on her pickles and cucumbers.
And cucumber.
And then me been filling up on shrimp and french fry. You only ate like what, 2 wings since this whole thing started?
Well, yeah, you know me now make no little mukbang the time soon.
Watch. Gain weight.
Cause
And it's a lot of energy.
it's easy to pack on the pounds, but it's very hard
To lose it.
to lose it. And a couple of mukbang channels, the people that must say them now do more mukbang, you know. Because one lady, I watch her video all the time, she said she now did more mukbang because she gained too much weight.
Oh, she never told anyone how much weight she gained?
She didn't say how much weight she gained, but she said she gained. Well, I think she did.
What, like
I
10
think she said she gained like 50 pounds.
50 pounds? Was she a slim lady or a
I think
skinny?
so. Yeah, she was decent size.
But she gained 50 pounds.
She gained 50 pounds. So
Jesus
she
Christ.
haven't made that video in her last video she uploaded. That's what she said.
Well, she's probably busy losing that weight until she
She said she's busy losing weight because her subscribers be asking her, you know, if she's coming back. She's like, no, I'm not.
Is she come back? Like, I know she should be coming back sometime soon, or well, maybe not soon, but like sometime you should go next year.
But you do gain weight, you know. There's a lot of eating.
Weight maintaining.
Like tomorrow, I'm not eating nothing. God, this is a lot.
You know. Yeah, you know when you eat a lot, you feel drowsy.
Well, yeah, it's freezing outside.
Yeah. Kind of cold downstairs.
Temperature just suddenly just drop. I think I'm stuffed. I think I'm stuffed. I think I'm stuffed.
Oh man, we've been stuffed since my last shrimp ago.
It was good though.
Yeah. You stuffed for true?
Can't give up on me.
Oh my god. After what I just said, she stalled.
Look at my nice look. Bad fruit, y'all?
I like this honey mustard. It's got a tangy taste.
That's the one from Chick-fil-A.
Is it? Oh yeah. Chick-fil-A honey mustard, y'all.
Chick-fil-A honey mustard sauce is one of the best sauce ever.
Well, that and how do you say it? Polynesian sauce. That the red sauce. Yeah, that's really nice. That's my first favorite. Hey, Mama, I can see the comments now about how Chick-fil-A sucks.
If you like Chick-fil-A sauce, just let us know. Down below.
Or just Chick-fil-A in general, because I know there are going to be some haters about Chick-fil-A. Oh, Chick-fil-A is expensive. Chick-fil-A isn't all real.
Can't win. Oh, and my hair's busted, so not come for me. Not come for me. When I want to make up, not come for me. This juice is really good. I kid you not.
Alright, my boss now.
When I went to Florida the other day, I went, what do you say, cutting trees.
Oh, you mean taking fruit?
That too. You get cane and
Oh,
papaya.
sugar cane, papaya, pineapple.
I cut down some lemon tree leaf, sauce up tree leaf, what can I get? Fever grass. What kind of bush? And some lemon, fresh lemon from the tree. All organic. And your girl made it today with ginger. That's, yeah, but like we were saying, I'm pooped. Oh, can't eat no more. Excuse me.
That just proves her point.
That does prove my point, right? It's also me. Full. But it was good. I'm going to put the link down to that video for the chicken wings. And I'm going to do the video separately for the shrimp. The butterfly shrimp. But yeah, we pooped. And what else? Not only am I pooped, but I'm also tired.
Yeah, when you eat a lot of food at once, it makes you feel sick.
I've been tired before I ate. I've been running all day, up and down the stairs, up and down the stairs, up and down the stairs all day. You know, so I'm tired. I've been doing laundry and cleaning up. And
that was all before we got home?
All before you got home. And then I had some, and I changed the bed sheets and all them things there. I was busy. And then I finished editing a video that I was editing. And I uploaded that today. So guys, make sure you check that video out because your girl was on a roll. The one today that I uploaded. You'll probably see this video tomorrow, hopefully. But that one was the ham recipe that I did. And that one I did for an event. So make sure you give a girl a thumbs up. Now be sure to turn on your notification. And not only turn it on, but check it periodically because YouTube will mess with the notification. Let me know. Every day I get messages of people telling me, I have not got your notification in a year. I have not get your notification in months. I haven't got your notification in like weeks, forever. And I'm like, all you could do is unsubscribe and then subscribe again. It's like you trick the system and redo it over. YouTube, turn off my subscription notification. Them turn it off. That's why nobody now get my uploads. The only way you see that I upload a video is unless you come on my channel directly. I see that I have tons of recipes from the last time you checked in. I always upload a video every week. I upload a video, 2 videos in a week, 3 videos in a week. But there is no time ever since I stopped. Well, one time I remember I didn't upload in a little while. And that was when I was getting married. But otherwise from that, I always upload a video.
Yeah. That's
what I do, you know, because I do this full time. So I upload a video every even when I'm on vacation, like couple weeks ago I was on vacation. 2 times I went on vacation. I took some time off for myself and then I went on vacation with my husband on my anniversary. And during those 2 times you guys wouldn't even have known because I was they was all uploaded. Them upload and everything and set to go. So you always never see me not putting up a recipe. So if you see two weeks go by and a month go by and you don't see nothing come up, that means YouTube already turned your notification off. That's bad.
It is. You can't bother with them.
All because of money. I don't want to pay nobody. So.
It's too bad. There's someone with over 100 million subscribers on YouTube. You know, he even said that YouTube's making some changes.
Everybody is being affected. Everybody, the big guru, them, everybody. You know, you have to have some kind of side hustle when you're doing this. Can you not?
Can't just. Why was that juice so slow to go down my throat hole?
Because I'm telling you, a good juice I drink. If I be telling you, Pepsi I drink, good, I've no time swallowing it. But if I'm telling you, a good juice I drink.
No, because I swallowed it, but it was going down slowly. And I'm like.
I'm going to tell you, a good juice. But healthy juice I drink, can you find us a healthy juice in your glass? And for you find us a healthy juice in your glass, also you can't swallow.
It's a plane.
Yeah. So, okay, guys, we are all pooped for the day, and we are done with this mukbang. I can't eat no more. I'm now gonna pretend I'm not full. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure.
That could be in the bloopers.
Thank you. I pulled my foot off. Thank you guys. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. My dog got me peeing as on the background. But the food was good. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, tell me what you want to see me cooking next, right? Down in the description box. Tell me whatever you want, the girl is going to deliver. And yeah, we are all pooped out and we're done. Thanks for watching, and we love you so much. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.
Tired enough. Wait, you never finished your cucumber. Your mama did a
I'll cucumber out.
How come you finished my fries?